With technology evolving rapidly, more and more job roles have opened up and evolved over the last decade. Certain roles now are not only in high demand, but also offer impressive pay and benefits. In this video, we will be exploring the top best paying tech jobs in 2025 and what makes them so lucrative. If you would like to support my channel, please leave a like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment on what you think of the current state of technology jobs in 2025. Let's get right into it, starting with mobile developers. Mobile usage is at an all-time high, and it only goes up every year, making mobile developers more relevant than ever before. Businesses know that great user-friendly apps are a must in the year of 2025, and with new systems releasing every year, they acknowledge that mobile developers need to be paid very well. Average salaries in 2025 range from $110,000 to $145,000, with senior developers making even more. If you would like to become a mobile developer, Swift and Kotlin will be your primary programming languages to master, but there are many other programming languages that companies use to make their apps as well. Phones, tablets, and other mobile devices are not going anywhere, so becoming a mobile developer in the year of 2025 is a good choice for the future. Data is the new oil, and data scientists are the ones refining it. They analyze massive data sets to extract insights that help businesses make smarter decisions. Whether it's customer behavior, market trends, or operational efficiency, data scientists turn chaos into clarity. That's why in 2025 they're earning around $120,000 to $160,000 a year. If you enjoy statistics, storytelling, and Python, this could easily be your path. Over the last few years, AI has boomed and became one of the primary focuses of the tech world today. Machine learning engineers build the brains behind AI, from recommendation engines to predictive analysis. Their expertise helps automate tasks, optimize systems, and power smart applications. With AI at the center of everything from finance to healthcare, these engineers are earning $130,000 to $180,000 annually. Knowing Python, TensorFlow, and model deployment will give you a major edge in the field. Cloud engineers are behind the scenes, keeping the digital world running. They design, manage, and scale cloud infrastructure using platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP. As companies shift to cloud-native solutions, the demand for cloud engineers is booming. Their ability to optimize performance and cut costs make them invaluable, earning $120,000 to $160,000 in 2025. Certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect really boost your value, and mastering C# is a must to go far in the field. With every company having some type of web or mobile application in 2025, they need engineers to manage and deploy those apps. These engineers are called DevOps engineers, who help automate and streamline software delivery. They create systems that help developers ship features faster and more reliably, along with maintaining the applications after they are shipped. In 2025, they're earning between $115,000 to $150,000. Master tools like Docker, Jenkins, and Kubernetes, and you'll be a core player on any tech team. It comes as no surprise that full-stack developers are still in high demand in every type of company. They can build entire web apps from the database to the user interface. Their ability to handle both front-end and back-end development makes them incredibly versatile for whatever work needs to be done on any web application. Startups in particular love full-stack developers because they can do more with fewer people, but every company uses them. That versatility translates to paychecks around $110,000 to $140,000 in 2025, and even higher if you're a senior developer. Learning JavaScript, React, and Node.js is a great place to start, but be aware that there are many different languages and frameworks used in full-stack development. With digital products becoming more complex and user expectations rising, companies are investing more in great design. UI designers focus on creating intuitive, visually appealing user interfaces that enhance the user experience. A strong UI can increase engagement and sales, making designs essential to product success. Furthermore, as the name implies, this role has to do with the design of applications rather than coding them, so little programming knowledge is needed. In 2025, UI designers earn around $95,000 to $130,000 a year, especially those with UX skills and mastery of tools like Figma and Adobe XD. If you want more of an artistic role in the field, UI design is for you. Lastly, if you are having trouble deciding what to do or learn, I highly recommend looking at what roles are in demand in your area. Use job websites like Indeed and put your area in to see what jobs come up and look for trends. Seek out what jobs show up and the programming languages they use and what seems to be the common language or role in demand. For example, if you live in an area where most companies use Python or JavaScript, You can take the time to learn one of the two to give yourself an edge for the jobs near you. The best paying technology jobs are truly the ones that pay the most where you live. Let me know in the comments what career excites you the most, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out a ton. Thanks for watching.